it's Bianca from the Stampin' Bee, and today we're going to be making a really cute fun fold type of card. I don't really do the fun folds that much, but I had gotten inspired from my upline who did this card during one of our meetings, and I thought it was adorable. So shout out to Sheila. Anyways, this is a really cute card, and I have no sentiment on there, so you can make it anything you'd like. But I did put a little happy birthday on the inside, so it is a very, very cute card. And it really brings out this Garden Impressions Designer Series paper, which I absolutely love. And if you can see, I did her skirt in that paper as well, which totally ties it together. It's like super adorable. So wait, did I even grab the stamp set? Of course not. Here it is. It is the hand-delivered stamp set. This is one of the Hostess stamp sets. So you would either need to spend $150 or host a party and get $150, and then you can receive this stamp set. So super cute. There's all different types of occasions on here. They have a really cute book, so you can use it for teachers, for graduates, back to school, anything like that. They have a cake, which is really cute, like for weddings, balloons for birthdays. She can hold a sign up here, and you can put all the different sentiments in it. This is very cute, and it is photopolymer, so it is a very adorable stamp set. Absolutely love it. So we are going to make this one today. So let's stamp first because we gotta let it dry. So let's get that set. Again, all the measurements will be on my site at thestampinbee.com, and this is very layered card. So let's see, we're going to be using the balloons and that one. That's it so far. Okay, so it's very nice when it's photopolymer because it can measure up. Oh, let's get this the right way. It can measure up just right for you. Okay, so we're going to be using Momento Ink because we're going to be using the Stampin' blends to color in like the balloons. So first I'm going to start with her body here, and hopefully I get this right. It always happens on camera that I don't. All right, so let's get this one down toward the bottom, and we will center that. There we go. And then let's ink up our balloons. These balloons are nice. I've seen people color them in like I'm going to do today, and then I've also seen people cut out circles and layer it up really nice. So I don't know if you can see her body right in there. We have to kind of line that up with her skirt. So reach over here. That looks about right. There we go. Oh, moment of truth. Yay, I did it! The biggest achievements in stamping is that it stamps the right way. Okay, so let's let this dry. That way we can color it in a little bit. So let's put the rest of the card together. So this is the base. And let's see, the card base is the regular 8.5 by 5.5, but we're going to score it a little bit differently than the 4 1/4 in the middle. So let me get my scoreboard here. So we are going to score at 2 1/8 and 6 3/8. So this little one, is this one? Yes. Right before that half mark. Okay. Oh, cut my nails and I can't grab anything. It's driving me nuts. So let's fold this. So it is going to overlap like the smallest little smidget you can imagine, but you can't even tell. So no biggie. Let's do our inside real quick. And the inside will fit just right there. I didn't grab, let's see, let's do happy birthday again. There we go. I'm going to use Memento. All right. Perfect. Oh, it's like a sigh of relief. All right, let that dry. And then we'll put it in here. There we go. And then we'll do the outside layers. I did go with a different DSP. So here's her little skirt. And I went with this style. So we're going to add this to our layers. Even this side's cute. It's like confetti. Right, and then let's get these on the front. I've noticed recently I'm getting into those blue tones. I'm such a pinky person that I don't know if the blue tones really stand out. Look how pretty that is. It's pretty just like that. Oh, I love it. Okay, so let's get some coloring done. And I just did 3 colors here. So let me get them out. I did some shading. Oops. Did I do 3 colors? No, I did 4 colors. Alright, so these are just simple color. I'm probably going to do the same exact way that I had done it on here. Alright, so I'll probably fast forward through this so you don't have to see me coloring forever. Alright, so I think that does it for coloring. If you notice, I did get a little of the green out here, so I had gotten my color lifter. Just kind of went over it a little bit, got rid of it. Not perfect, but it's still really cute. I did also color her blouse and her legs and her shoes and all of that. So this is the little skirt. I spared you the time of watching me fussy cut this out. So basically you just stamp her onto the piece of the designer series paper. So let's attach this. I'm going to use glue on this one. My glue has been acting up though. It like wants to come out a lot. So let's get this right in the center. There we go. And they're just going to position that right over top. Look how cute that is. Oh my goodness. I love it. There we go. All right, so we're going to layer it onto a Night of Navy. So let's get that done. There we are, and then I'm going to have it sit on this side and stick to this side. So we're just going to put adhesive on the one side. And that way it stays right there. And then we'll just center it over the card. Oops. There we go. There we go, and that way it just opens right to it. Oh my gosh, it came out so, so cute. So again, this paper, you can do it with just about any design. It comes in all sorts of colors, so you can add it, make it pinks and yellows, and I believe it's like Calypso corals in there. Oh, that one's nice too. So there you go. Everything, like I said, will be on my site, stampinbee.com, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.